Hello everyone, I welcome you all for the video lecture. The topic to be discussed is architectural styles, layered and client server. Software architecture defines the overall structure of a system. Architectural styles help organize components and interactions. Two commonly used styles, layered architecture and client server architecture. Design thinking helps design efficient and scalable architectures. Let's empathize. We need to understand the needs of users, developers, and system administrators. We need to observe users need fast and reliable applications. Whether developers require maintainable and modular architecture, systems must support scalability and security. And the goal is to identify requirements for system architecture. Let's define. The possible issues are poor system scalability, difficult maintenance, complex system communication, tight coupling between components. The possible ideas are layered architecture, client-server architecture, microservices architecture, and distributed system architecture. And the goal is to select the most suitable architectural style for the system. Let's discuss layered architecture and client-server architecture in this video. Introduction to software architecture. Software architecture refers to the overall structure of a software system. It defines system components, relationships between components, communication mechanisms. Architectural styles provide standard design solutions for organizing systems. What are architectural styles? Architectural styles describe patterns of system organization. They define how components interact and communicate, help developers design scalable and maintainable software systems. Examples: layered architecture, client-server architecture, microservices architecture, event-driven architecture. Layered architecture, it organizes the system into separate layers, each responsible for a specific functionality. Each layer performs a specific task. It interacts mainly with adjacent layers. This structure improves modularity and maintainability. Typical layers in layered architecture are presentation layer, user interface, interaction with users happen in here, and application layer, it controls the application flow. Business logic layer, it handles core processing and rules. Data layer, it manages database and data storage. Layered architecture example, online shopping system. In the presentation layer, we have the web interface, an application layer where request handling, and business layer, order processing, and the product database will be the data layer. Each layer works independently but cooperatively. Advantages are clear separation of concerns, easier system maintenance, improved modularity, simplifies testing and debugging, it supports scalability. Disadvantages are performance overhead due to multiple layers. Changes one layer may affect the other. Not suitable for highly performance critical systems. Client-server architecture divides the system into two main components: client, which requests the services, and server, which provides the services. Communication occurs through a network. Components of client-server architecture is client, which sends the request to the server, example, web browser. Server processes request and sends response to the clients, example, web server or database server. Example, web application. Here, web browser is a client, web server is a server, and database server stores the data. Process, our client sends the request and the server processes the request, and the server returns the response to the clients. Advantages, it is a centralized data management. Better security control is possible and easy maintenance and updates. can be done, and it supports distributed computing, and it is efficient for resource sharing. The disadvantages are server failure affects the whole system, network dependency, high server load with many clients. That's coming to the end of the session. Thank you.